more skills, the more knowledge you have about food, about planning healthy meals, about knowing some things to say about the economics of healthy meals, and you'll be able to just spit stuff out when you're talking to your patients.
The idea behind this event was to join lifestyle medicine and combine that with different GI disorders that our patients might be experiencing, and how can we show our patients that they can use food as medicine.
And as a gastroenterologist, I talk about nutrition a lot, but we're learning more about general foods as it relates to the inflammatory component in the body. That entity is called the gut microbiome, and how food can interact with individuals.
But you want to make a straight edge, and here's just a sidebar.
Tonight what we're doing is a one-night workshop, and so for 2 hours tonight we'll be together, and I'm going to start off with a really short knife skills, and then my partner Millette Seiler and I have chosen several recipes that go along with what you might suggest to patients who have certain GI disorders.
Oh yeah, so we have some fantastic offerings today. One of our most popular culinary medicine recipes is the turkey mushroom veggie burger.
We don't want it to be overcooked.
We've cut the meat back by half, and then we've incorporated mushrooms into the burger, which is not only a great way to increase the vegetable content, reduce our reliance on animal protein, but in today's world, we like to show that it can save you a lot at the grocery store.
I hope our students get a chance to really get some hands-on experience in the kitchen, and food is one of the topics that comes up in any clinic, no matter what specialty you're in. People want to know what they can eat in order to be healthy instead of having to take certain medications. While that's not always the only answer, it can always be part of the answer, and so this is giving us just one more thing in our toolbox to be able to say, you can help your body by eating this, and here's a recipe.